Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Okoyeocha. I want to bring you an advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis. Remember, as I always say, beware of scammers who will come under the comment section to make some promises or to recommend some people that seems to be making profits for them. They are all scammers. Those who make money don't look for those that they make money for. Instead, people find them from what they are doing. For instance, if you're watching my analysis and you believe that I'm making money, it is you that will contact me, not me going to advertise or people to advertise for me. They are all scammers. Trading is not easy. You need to learn. Before I proceed, the only thing you can do for me is to like and share my video so that others may see it, and so that YouTube may recommend it to more viewers. That's what you can do for me. Then I have free Telegram channels where I share charts from time to time. People also make money from those trade ideas I share freely. And if you want to learn from me, then contact me. My phone numbers, WhatsApp and Telegram accounts are under the bio of this video. Thank you. Let me start. DXY, remember, my bias is upside. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for on DXY. A new high. Okay, even if that we don't have a new high, at least we will get something like this before going down, which means we are still buying for now. Okay, so let's see 4 hours. 4 hours. Now this is what I'm looking for as 4 hours. A kind of A, either A or 1. Then this is B or 2. If this is B, then we get this as C, then it will drop again before going up. But if it is 1, 2, it means it will begin to go up from here. So okay, so that's how wave analysis works. USD. USD, what do we have? The same scenario. USD is greater than DXY. It is obvious that this is going to drop. This ABC is so clear. This is here will be stop loss. Here will be stop loss and validation. Then it will drop from here. It's gonna drop. And this trade is recommended. If you don't have any trade on, you can just enter here and expect it to drop further. You know, I'm looking for a new low, but even if the new low is possible, it's gonna drop at least to this level, 1.012, and so on. But from all my count, this is wave 4, and wave 5 is developing. So a new low is possible. If not, at least for now, it is still selling. It is still selling. It is still selling for now. Okay. So we follow it sequentially as it develops. We keep following it. USDCAD. USDCAD on daily, nothing on daily, not to show you on daily, other than this seems to be making this. Let me, one thing good about web analysis, if you have the knowledge, you will always know what market is doing. So this looks corrective in nature, which means we can still get this before buying. So why I'm showing you this so that you be careful not to close your eye and begin to buy. It is buying right now, but I think this I think this top can hold for now. So this is still invalidation. I'm looking for another drop. This seems to be it seems to be making maybe W. This is A, B, C. Then it's become X. Then Y will come down somewhere here before they buy in. And if that is the case, it means this will fall, will now be here. So let's just keep watching what it is trying to develop. But to me, this is not sharp enough to be the beginning of next impulse wave. Okay. Let's go lower to 4 hours. Now, if the other count is not, if we not get that big correction, at least we will get this. We will get this A, B, C. Let me label it. At least we get this A, B, C. Though the exact place they begin to terminate and start, I don't know yet. But you know this is forecasting. Maybe this is A, B, C, B, C. So now this move can still go up and terminate maybe around here or even before here, before we now drop again, before buying. That's what I have on USDCAD. USDCHF, USDCHF, anything on daily. Nothing much to show you on daily. 4 hours. Nothing much. 1 hour is where we have set up. Now, this is a buy setup. The only thing that making us to buy this is when market opens, and I see a sharp move like this, then I will not buy it because it will like you do this and do this. But if it keeps dropping gradually, sure, I will buy it from here. I will buy it from this place. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. Pounds USD is just like similar thing we saw on USDCHF. I mean, on USDCAD. So anything on daily, let's check daily. Nothing to show on daily. 4 hours. The structure is showing us that the market will have to drop before buying again. Let's see 1 hour. So this is what I'm looking for. Even if it breaks this high, still I will not buy until I see a clear correction. The only clear structure I can see now is this type of structure. The market will buy. So structure is so important in trading. If you grow structures and before market with price alone, you're making mistakes. So check out for this sell. Then to be conservative, you can sell from when it breaks this low, then you can now sell. But for me, I'm selling it from here because the stop loss is just so tight. And they know not anymore that you can win every trade. Trade is risky, but you don't take blind risk. Okay. AUDUSD. AUDUSD is 4 hours where I have something to share with you. AUDUSD, this is making an A, B, C. So I'm looking for the price to move a little higher between 0.67433, 0.67797, or even 0.68387. I'm looking for sale around this zone. This zone is where I'm looking for sell. So no need to buy it for now. From an idea, no need to buy it for now. I'm looking for sell because we are looking for a drop to 0.64 or below. Using the USD, the same situation. This wave 4 might be here. That's why I write alternate wave 4. So this is a clear ABC forming. A, B, C. The way we saw it on AUDUSD, they go together most of the time. So I'm looking for sell around the 63159, 63513, or even 64165. I'm looking for sell around this zone. Okay, or it may even begin to sell from here. Nobody knows. But what I'm saying that I'm not looking for buy. If sell stop occurs around here, I will take it. If it occurs up here, I will still take it. Okay, so you keep watching to see how it develops. JP225. JP225. I'm looking for a move down, move up, and move down again. Let me show you the ones. Remember, I keep saying that this drop is still possible. This drop is still possible, but let's not focus so much on that. And let's focus on this very low, the break of this very low. Okay, anyway, it's still, let's focus on lower time frame. So on 4 hours, I'm looking for a move like this, a drop, a move, and a drop again. So selling is already in progress. So remember, you don't jump in. Meanwhile, the sell will occur here. You know, I said you should join my Telegram channel for free. I share most of these charts. So if I had been on my Telegram channel, you must have taken this trade and it's dropping. So the only way you can trade it now is if it goes up again, when market opens on Monday or Sunday night, then you can take a trade. But as it is now, don't sell from here. Not advisable. Okay, EURJPY. EURJPY, what do we have? I think nothing has changed. Last week, I shared this with you. Okay. So this is the trade of the week, trade of the month. You see dropping to surely get to this place. 136 or below is where it is heading. 4 hours. You know, market doesn't move on the straight line. I shared this in the middle of the week, this correction, and it turned exactly where I forecasted it will turn. So it's now going down again. I don't know how else to explain it. You know, USDJPY. USDJPY is still going down as other JPY page, but the structure is different. It's making a kind of leading diagonal. Let me, where is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is making. So maybe when 5 ends, maybe somewhere here, to give us ABC, I'm going to drop again. And you may avoid USDJPY and trade other yen pairs if you trade yen pairs. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. This is as clear as EURJPY. So when this channel is broken, you make a swing sell if you trade swing, if you're a swing trader like me. So we are going all the way to 148 and below. When this channel is broken, and ultimately this is broken as well, we're going down to 148 and below. Nothing to explain further. Then coming to 4 hours, make a correction. You can see an expanding flat. Okay, let's see it on 1 hour. You can see an A, B, C, expanding flat. So it's going down again. Meanwhile, the possibility of going up is here. But if it keeps going up, I will not buy it. Rather, if it went up to this level to make A, B, C, which is the second alternative, then I will sell from here. But I think it's not gonna go up. Anyway, nobody's 100% sure what market will do. But my forecast is that it will keep dropping. It may just make a little move up from here, make a flat, and keep dropping. That's my own forecast. I'm showing you the other possibilities. Okay, let's go to gold. 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 Many months ago, I told you gold we made that we're formed terminating within this zone. Many times ago, I showed you this. It has happened. It's now going up strongly. So where is the next stop on gold? The next stop on gold is, in fact, at 2000 zone, 2000, 2020, 2030, it's where gold will stop. Then it will give us a pullback. I don't know the type of pullback it will give us, whether it will be deep or no. I don't know. For now, let's focus on gold. If you didn't buy gold from here, I recommend to buy from here. I recommend to buy from here. If you didn't buy from these two places, forget it. Let it complete the cycle and then give us 3 weeks pullback before we buy again. Silver, the same thing. Silver, I recommend to buy above here and above here. It is still buying. I didn't check where it will terminate. Sorry, I didn't do that, but maybe let me quickly do that. Silver will likely end somewhere here. Silver might easily end around here and give us a pullback, or it will just, or alternatively, it will be making this type of move. It may do this. So either it's okay. Now let's do this a little extra. Either it comes to this level, give us a little pullback, and move to this zone, or it keeps moving onto this zone, make a better pullback, and keep going. So the bottom line is that gold, silver, they are all going up. So no need to be wasting time on that. Platinum is lagging. I don't understand. Platinum is lagging. Platinum is supposed to go with silver and gold. Or is it trying to complete this move? Well, time will tell. Let's go back to 4 hours. Platinum is lagging. Now, sometimes markets, you will expect something else. Another thing will happen on the market. Okay, so now platinum, this is what I'm expecting to happen. A drop to this zone, then a move to this zone. Or it may just truncate because of silver and gold. It may just do like this, and do like this. So we keep watching them. The bottom line is, how do we trade this? I can only trade it if it drops to this zone. If it drops to this zone, I will buy from here because I know it is going to this place. But if it doesn't drop to this zone, I will look for buy when it breaks to this place. I look for buy above this place. That's how to trade. Oil. Oil, remember my bias on oil is down. Remember many weeks or almost, I said that once oil have broken this zone, watch my previous video, that oil is going to 50 and below. So it's now clear that oil is going down to 50. So I don't have to waste time on this very video because it's like a continuation of what I have analyzed previous weeks. So the next target on oil is 62 zone. That's the next target. But ultimate target on oil is between 58 to 53 is our ultimate zone for oil. Okay, so for now, let's focus on how to join the sellers. Now, to join the sellers, now I say it again, this chart, this is kind of what I share on our Telegram channel. Okay, when I see it up, I share some freely. I share much on VIP group. That is where my students, the group of my students, I share most and few for free on free channel. So now the sale started here. I shared it. The only way you can join it now, let me go to 15 minutes. The only way to join it now is if we get this ABC, not guaranteed, but possible. If you get this ABC, then you can join the sellers and go down to 62 zone. Okay, that's for oil. Which one again? NASDAQ. NASDAQ, that's US 100. Okay, this is where, let me go to daily. Anything on daily? Daily, unless we get double correction. Daily seems to have completed the move here. Or maybe either we get another correction to give us this flat and move up, or it will just make a little correction like this and go up. The bottom line is that it will correct. So let's see 4 hours. So on 4 hours, now what I show you on daily, now let me make another illustration on that. This is like this W, here can be W. Then this is an expanding flat, which is X. If we make a double correction, then from here it will drop to this zone and give us Y. Then if we have two alternatives, if this is not the case, then it means that here is W, X, Y. Then this is another X. Then here is Z. Okay. Then it will give us correction like this and move up. And I think we're going to get this move. This quarter, I think we likely will, because this seems to be more logical. Expanding flats as X. This W will be here. This Y will be here. Then this ABC X. Then we get this. Time will tell. No need to be being ahead of the market. Let's see how it plays out. And what we have in the moment is where I focus my analysis. But I give you long-term instance so that you will be I will afford to we will see in a distant time. Either we are coming to this zone Okay, so anyway, let me remove this. So what I'm looking at, the price will drop to this zone. We're looking for price to drop to this zone. Maybe if you do this, then if it will go up, it will go from here. If not, it may just go do something like this. I'm going to drop again. So let's keep watching. Or it may even still do this and not go down, down, down. It may just do, this is A, this is B, this is C. This can be W, this can be X. It can give us a Y somewhere here and begin to go up. So on the lower time frame, we have two scenarios. Brief correction like this and up, or a bigger one, WSY, and go up. Two things. Then ultimately, on a bigger time frame, it can give us that big expected correction. S&P 500. S&P 500. What do we have there? Let's check 4 hours. Okay, nothing to show on 4 hours. On daily, it made an ABC, still going down. We expect it to drop to 37.21, 36.81. So that's why we expect it to drop. US starting. US starting. The same situation. We're looking for a drop anywhere below 30.00, 31.00 and below. That's what we're looking for on US 30. So I will not have time to make 2 videos today. So BTC, I'll only show you BTC on cryptos because BTC is the chief of all cryptos. Now, to me, it's officially that we are bullish on Bitcoin. You know, and let me say 90%, we are 90% bullish on Bitcoin. Breaking of this wave 4 prove that this is truly wave 5. But as I said, I'm not so comfortable about the structure. We're perhaps supposed to be an impulse wave, but this can maybe a kind of ending diagonal. Who knows? Anyway, let's keep watching. But from what I see here, this is impulse move. At least this move is a typical impulse move. This move, typical impulse move. So unless we get sharp move again, that will counter this move, that we close below it, then we can still get this. But if we begin to get correction, watch out for 36,000, 38,000, 40,000 as the next big move. I don't know what to, then what I don't understand is that Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing good. Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing good. Ethereum. They are doing good. BNB is doing good. Other junior cryptos are lagging. You can see SRP. So I don't know, maybe the structure is still playing out until it breaks this structure before it begins to go. So now BNB is good. You see our reversal zone. It came to our reversal zone and reversed. Power of knowledge. get to our reversal zone and reversed. So Litecoin again, Litecoin is not being as strong as I expected. This is what I expected from Litecoin. I did expect this very sharp move down. So that's what forecast is all about. Some will go according to your plan, some not to go. but what is that? We know when to top or calls. That's the main thing. We know when to top or call. Okay, so that's the end of this video. It's 30 minutes already. Remember to share, subscribe, share with your friends, share on your social media handles, make a comment, join our Telegram channel. It's free. Then if you want to learn from me, contact me. I don't charge much, and I have time to teach now. I have time to teach now. It's good that you learn from somebody who have time to teach. Because many people are willing to teach, who know the business, but they don't have much time. They only give you videos to watch. I don't do that. I give you videos to watch, and I have time for one-on-one, because you must have questions for clarification. Secondly, there are those who have done it to teach, but they don't know what they're teaching. And of course, you will know somebody who have experience from what he does 3D as analysis. Thank you for watching. God bless you.